So, hi guys! Today nandito tayo sa Uptown Arts Residence. So, ito yung newest project namin dito. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 3-bedroom unit. So, tara! So, upon entering, naka-keycard access na siya. And, video intercom connected to the lobby. And on this side naman yung powder room. What you see is what you get, guys. Naka-floor to ceiling na tiles na siya. So, ito yung kitchen area. So, this range should per burner cooktop and oven, kasama na siya. And itong mga kitchen cabinets natin. Also guys, naka-retractable faucet na din siya. And itong fridge from Gorinye, included na siya. And maid's room natin. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So ngayon guys, wala kasing ilaw. Hindi ko lang mapapakita sa inyo. Ito siya guys, kasama na din tong bar type granite countertop. So, this is your living and dining area, guys. Meron siyang access to the balcony. Tara, guys. So, ang view nyo dito, guys, is Ortigas Skyline, Makati CBD, and Antipolo Mountains. And check naman natin yung mga bedrooms. Tara. So, ito yung common toilet and bath natin, guys. Floor to ceiling tiles. Naka-rain shower na din siya. And ito yung bedroom 1 natin. So, may view ka dito guys ng BGC, Mitsukoshi Mall. And itong modular closet. Kasama na siya. And split type aircon. So, ito naman yung bedroom 2. Again guys, this closet, kasama na siya. And split type aircon. And another view of Ortigas Skyline. So, proceed naman tayo sa master's bedroom. So, pagpasok mo guys, ito yung walk-in closet. Okay? And meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, what you see is what you get guys. Kasama na din yung bathtub. And meron ka sa sariling balcony. So, ito yung view mo guys. Again, Mitsukoshi Mall, Makati Skyline. Yan. Tara, pasok tayo. So, ito yung master's bedroom. Maganda dito guys. Meron kang view ng Makati Skyline again. Ortigas. This 3-bedroom guys, meron kang sunset view. Okay, and again, another split type aircon is included. So, guys, if you're interested sa mga available units namin dito sa BGC, you can contact me details. Bye-bye!